What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I like what I'm going to talk about in this video. The reason why, I've made a video about frog coins maybe three weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I thought that maybe there were some that were missing. Like I have, PeiPay, I have Bone, and I'm always looking at other ones that also see a level of success because honestly, you don't only want to see the ones that are insanely popular, the ones that are worth billions of dollars. You want to see the ones that are worth, maybe millions of dollars and has that potential chance to get up to tens of millions, hundreds of millions, billions of dollars. And right now, I feel like this position that we're talking about has had a level of success already, up to, a 60 plus billion-dollar market cap, but it also has a lot of future, a lot of potential left in it. So what we're going to talk about here today is we're not going to talk about PeiPay, we're going to talk about PeiPay, which is the Chinese PeiPay, and it's adopting that culture as well. And I feel like, it has a mix to it. It has a connection to it to where you could see kind of a difference, a little bit of a difference that could propel it into the next level. So we're going to talk about this in this video. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out any of the links for PeiPay down below, feel free to check that out. It'll be at the top of the description where you guys can get all that detail that you want. But let's go ahead and dive into this and look at the website, look at the price, look at everything that's happening with it. And you guys can decide for yourself whether you believe it's a good investment. Again, I'm not going to tell anybody to buy anything. What I want you guys to do is always do your own research into it because my research might not be enough. And I want you to make that decision for you. It's not to protect myself by saying this is not financial advice, even though it isn't. It's more about you guys getting a handle or an understanding on how you invest, right? Your investing style. Because if you invest for you, you're going to feel a lot more confident in it rather than investing for someone else, right? The blame is just going to go on that person rather than being on yourself for making that investment. So anyways, let's go ahead and dive into this. So PeiPay, a step into the realm of PeiPay token, where the world of memes meets the enchanting essence of Chinese culture. Get ready to explore a digital universe that combines humor, community, and innovation in unprecedented ways. And you can go in there and see all their information. We will go into most of that soon about it. PeiPay token merges the beloved PeiPay meme with the charm of Chinese culture elements, resulting in a refreshing and captivating synthesis that pays homage to tradition while embracing the future. Join us on an exhilarating journey that, unlike any other in crypto space, PeiPay token isn't just a digital asset. It's an experience that allows you to be part of a movement that that's rewriting the rules of engagement. So how to buy it? You would have a wallet. You can go ahead and get some ETH, go to Uniswap, very simple, and then switch ETH for PeiPay. We're going to go into the different detail here. I just wanted to go into the tokenomics as well. There's 420.69 trillion tokens, 0% taxes, no BS. It's that simple, right? Zero buy, zero sell, which is always a good thing. I always like to see the ability to grow and utilize some of the money. If you did have taxes, utilize some of the money to implement on exchanges. So I don't ever see that as a flaw to have low taxes. To have high taxes is crazy, but to have low taxes and something that can get your thing off the ground and running, I feel like that's good. Now, if you have a lot of success and you see multiple millions of dollars, then it's a different story. You can utilize some of those tokens in order to launch on CEXs. But phase one is PeiPay, phase two is Vibe and Hodl, and phase three is PeiPay Takeover. The phase one, which is the launch, CoinGecko market cap listings. You have 690 plus holders. Partnerships in phase two, 2,500 holders, CEX listings. Phase three, utility partnerships, multi-chain bridging, right? You have tier one exchange listing and 10,000 plus holders. So I think there's a mixed bag here when it comes to where they stand for phase wise, because if we go into CoinMarketCap, which we will, let's first go over to Twitter account, which currently has 8,000 followers. If you want to follow them on Twitter, feel free to go ahead and follow them there. But if you go into the actual position, it's down 19% or 20% today, but you are seeing it at $77 million worth of a market cap. $77 million market cap for this project. There's a lot of people that maybe wouldn't have expected it, because you do have other frog coins, other coins that are being created that are out there, but this one has a little bit more popularity. You're seeing $15.2 million worth of volume. All of the supply is out there. And if you look at the history over 7 days, it's up 449% over the last month. Again, 449%. Looking at that same time frame and how this has really run within that last month, which is absolutely amazing. If we look at the markets, you have it available on Uniswap. You have 33 other pairings, which I would imagine all of them, or most of them, are kind of duplicates there, or not duplicates, but on the same place, but just have a different pairing. You do have Bitmart. You're able to buy it on Bitmart, but most people, I guess, would end up purchasing on Uniswap. That would be the best way to do that. And $9 million worth of volume is going through there to ETH, as well as version 3 Ethereum. It's also going $4 million, and then $1 million to Bitmart. So you're definitely seeing some movement, some popularity for only being a $77 million market cap. Again, the volume to market cap ratio is around 20%. So it shows the level of popularity. Now, when we look at how many holders there are, right, there are 10,700 holders. This is why I say that it's a mixed bag, because if you go back to the roadmap, you have 10,000 holders, 10,700 holders, I think I just said, and you don't have a tier 1 exchange yet, but you probably will get that as time goes on. But right now we're kind of in the middle of like phase 2 and 3, where you have the amount of holders, but you don't have a tier 1 exchange yet. And that's just because, you have the popularity, and you can't control how much popularity you do have within a position. So anyways, I see some success within it. I see some growth that can happen with this, and they're putting money into marketing, which is definitely a big deal. It could honestly be the next PeiPei, and we know what PeiPei stands at. Like if we scroll up here and we type in PeiPei and bring that up, you know where that stands at. That's at a $5 billion market cap. A $5 billion market cap for PeiPei. And if you're looking at this, the Chinese version, let's say, of PeiPei, you could potentially see the same thing. You never honestly know. The unknown is what makes things insanely interesting. So again, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Again, I want you guys to go and check this out for yourself. I know it's difficult to kind of take that break when you hear somebody talk about it. You're like, oh, this looks like it could be a big thing. But don't take anyone's word for it, just not even mine. Just go, okay, I'm here to open your eyeballs to this situation, and I want you guys to go and see what you like about it. If I pointed out all the things that you do like, then feel free to go about doing that. But also understand how much you want to risk within these time frames, because you could want to catch it at a point to where you could dollar cost average down, dollar cost average into it. So just make that decision as you are going along in your days. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, check out all the links for PeiPei down below. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.